soon. Yeah, very much excited. Parang, that fact, alam mo, honestly, nakakabata. Nakaka-feel bata, hindi nakakabata pala. Nakaka-feel na bata pa din kami just because we're always been together since then, and who would have thought we're gonna be together again after how many years, diba? So, reminiscing all those good and bad memories together, it's been tough, but definitely, I think we always get to answer the reason why we're playing this sport. It's because of the team, the players we're with, and more reason to really actually play better and well in the next coming seasons.
Gia spent 2 years in Japan and
Yeah.
then signing with Alaska.
Yeah.
Ano nang expectation mo sa kanya considering you pretty much watched her grow up? You grew up together as volleyball
Oh my
players.
gosh, honestly, even before Gia's going to Japan and playing with Alias, we all know Gia is Gia. And with all the experiences she's getting on and off the court, I bet more than ever she's gonna be one of the athletes already of the team. And she's gonna be one of the athletes in the team. And I'm just really glad I've witnessed siguro all this ups. Wala atang down si Gia. All these ups in her career, and really, we're all gonna be here. I'm always gonna be here supporting her. And kung ano man ang tahakin niya, hopefully, and will always be, I think, Philippines and Team 9 will always be her. Hopefully. Sinabi naman niya, di ba? Baka sinabi ko lang yun, pero yeah. Drama naman, di ba guys? Tama, okay. Paki-clear lang po.
Ano sinabi niya naman?
Sinabi naman niya. Thank you.